All right, people. I'm down where I store my bus, the Outdoor Recreation Center. Got lots of campers, real nice high-dollar campers. People stuff down here, and then you got this. Got this bus right here, folks. It's a 33-foot, 1984 Bluebird school bus. 10-passenger window, 59-passenger capacity. It's yellow. Doesn't say school bus anymore, but still yellow. What else? It's got a Chevy chassis with the 8.2 liter Detroit diesel, and it's got the Allison transmission. And it's my bus, and it's springtime, and I'm about to get started working on it again. Make sure you get the new logo down there. That's right, Rolltide530. Hell yeah! So let's get on the bus. Here we go. Oh yeah. There's the captain's seat right there, folks. And here's the inside. From this point right here, where I'm pointing, to all the way back to the back door there, that is 26 feet. Delightful space for me to make my new camper. All right, so what I'm going to do today is I'm going to clean this floor, sweep it, clean it up a little bit, and then I'm going to put down the second coat of paint that needs to go on this floor and along these walls to basically rust preventer. It's Rust-Oleum rust preventer. It's going to keep, you know, the potential for the metal, the exposed metal, to rust. Once I cover it up and all that, it'll be done. I won't have to worry about it rusting. Let's get busy cleaning it up. Let's get to sweeping. Let's do some tunes while we sweep. Shit, yeah! Alright, so I was going to sweep this bus, see how much dirt I could get up, see if it was going to be reasonable to believe that I could paint the floor with just sweeping, not having to mop it and get it all wet. Because obviously if I get it all wet, then I got to wait for it to all dry. And here's what I've decided. I don't give a shit. I'm just going to go ahead and clean it up, sweep it, paint it. It's just an old bus, folks. Just an old bus. You don't have to be perfect. It just needs to be cleaned up, free of debris. And let me get my damn paint down. Because I can't do nothing more until I get my freaking paint down. Oh yeah, that's cleaned up real nice. That's cleaned up real nice. Yeah, this bad boy working out this way. I hope it would. Be nice and clean. We'll get it painted down. We'll get some floor on this bitch. And let me tell you why. We're Sturgis bound, folks. Sturgis bound. Success. Success. The bus floor is clean. Clean enough. Clean enough for me. Let's start putting some paint down on that bad boy. Got 3 sections done, so I'm up to the wheel wells. That only took about maybe 10 minutes. Get that down. That 10 minutes is what's been holding this bus up the entire winter though. Getting this floor painted. Getting the floor painted. That's been what the whole entire holdup. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 and a half sections to go. I've already done 3. Oh wee. Well, that took about 30 minutes. That's all it took, 30 minutes. And floor is completely painted. Now I just got to do these sidewalls, but they're very dirty, so I got to take some towels or something and wipe all that dust off of it once this floor is dry. Kind of clean it up a little bit, maybe with a wet towel, just run across there and get all that dirt and grime off, and then we'll get all the dirt and crap off the ceiling too. But yeah, the bus has started, baby. 2019 bus renovation coming along, baby. There's my paint. It actually only took 2 cans of that Rust-Oleum. I bought 3. It only took 2 to do the floor, so I probably only have to buy 1 more to do the walls. So I got 1 left and 1 more. It'll end up taking 4 cans to just rust-proof the inside of this bus. And then we're gonna start putting floors down and getting all the rest of the crap in here, man. Looking forward to it. Oh well, I got a lot of work to do, but it's coming along. First cigar on the bus, people. What do you do when you get done with a long, hard 30 minutes of work on your Skoolie bus? Because again, 30 minutes is about all it took for me to sweep this bus, put that paint down. 30 minutes held me up all winter because I didn't have that done. Tastes good, baby. Roll Tide, roll.